Our friends at 49 & Market have a wonderful new collection. It's called the Blush Collection. And let me begin with the 12 by 12 papers. As with all of their collections, there are laser prints, there are laser cutouts as well as papers. So the papers are double-sided. You get a bonus one with the back of the insert sheet, and just beautiful. There is an extra piece along the bottom, and on the back of that you can cut that off and you're going to get an extra border, so that's nice. Beautiful, beautiful artwork. Really nice for scrapbooking and quite perfect for cards too. Here is the next, and to show you that background, scuffed stripes with some text behind it. And here we have another, and these are all called the Blush Collection, as you can see. And here's another. Love the little bird in there, the flowers. If you are a scrapbooker, of course you're going to put your photos in the center. If you're a card maker, you know that you can get 4 cards out of every single sheet. So that's just going to work nicely. And there's the back of that. In addition, there are 70 of the laser pieces that are on 2 sheets, and they're just going to pop right out. So you're going to end up with that great big window. You also have all the elements inside. It's beautiful floral, just so many pieces. And I think that 49 & Market is the only one that I know of who is doing laser cutouts that go into a package, go with the papers, and everything coordinates. Okay, so that's the 12 by 12. There is a 6 by 6 version. It is the same papers, and I'll show you that. You are going to get 4 of each sheet I'm going to show you. They are the exact same ones that I just showed you in the 12 by 12, but you do get 4 of each. And the other difference is that there are no laser cuts in the 6 by 6. However, there is this sheet that you can cut out, so that gives you another option. And again, there are 4 of those. So in total, in fact, that is about 136 cutouts, so just so that you have that information. Now, there's more. In fact, there's something brand new, and it is this. This is called Wishing Bubbles and Baubles. Now, these are all self-adhesive, and you can see that there are pieces down here that will just really look nice to embellish. There are some with words on them, and some with greetings, and some of them have some glitter embedded in them. In total, there are 67 epoxy-coated embellishments in this package. That is gorgeous. And they've done some rub-ons before, but this time they've really upped their game. So they do have a plastic applicator. There are 6 sheets. There are 6 different sheets. This is the first one, and you know rub-ons, you just rub them on, but they are just beautiful. And you can see, my goodness, there are so many pieces here. Here is the back side, or another sheet. It just happens to be on the back, but it is a separate sheet. Here is another going with the lighter green. Here is another, that same, but in pink, so it's nice to get all of those borders as well as the lace. Here we have some words, and that's going to work out nicely. And then one more sheet, and this has got those kind of splotches with some pieces of words on them. Do really well with mixed media. We'll have to show Sarah that. Now in this, there's also a collection of ephemera. Now the ephemera has 39 sheets, and they're all different. So some of them are in this kind of ivory or tan collection. So you're going to get some things that look like old envelopes, as well as artwork, as well as tags. There's some bird in this one that looks like an old letter, and you can see the bird nest. And then we get some pink, and this is going in with some like a doily, as well again as tickets. We have like a Viewmaster, smaller doily, and some other bits and pieces. Very, very fun. You can see this is just quite a few. Even the ones that are plainer are going to be perfect for kind of collaging some different looks on and playing with them. Again, some looks like tickets, just some vintage. These are all the pieces from that Viewmaster. And as you can see, some very fun. Ephemera is the perfect name for all of these with the 39 pieces. So To go all together, we have the ephemera, we have the 6 sheets of rub-ons with the tulle, we have the 67 epoxy baubles, and we have 12 by 12 as well as 6 by 6 papers. All of this in the blush collection, all of it from our friends at 49 and Market.